रेल्वेन प्रवास करतात आणि तुमचे कडेन चड सामान आसा जाल्यार तुमच्यान चिंता करपाची गरज ना। तुमचे सामान सुरक्षीत दवरपा खातीर कोंकण रेल्वेन डिजी लॉकर सुविधा हाडल्या। ह्या डिजी लॉकरात तुमकां तुमचे सामान दवरूं येता। डिजी लॉकराचो वापर करपा खातीर तुमकां ताजेर लायिल्लो स्कॅनर स्कॅन करून पैसे फारीक करचे पडटले। रेल्वेच्या नियोजित वेळे परस तुम्ही स्टेशनाचेर बेगीन पावले जाल्यार आनी तुमची रेल्वे येवपाक कळाव जालो जाल्यारूय तुमच्यान ह्या सुविधेचो लाव घेवं येता, अशी माहिती कोंकण रेल्वेचो उपव्यवस्थापक बबन घाटकेन सांगले।
Government of India's Digital India movement, Konkan Railway has introduced Digi Locker facility at 3 stations over its jurisdiction. These 3 stations are Ratnagiri, Thivimen, and Udupi. These Digi Lockers have been already commissioned since 16th of October 2025. Passengers can now conveniently and securely store their belongings through a modern QR-based digital payment system using UPI, credit card, debit card, and other digital modes. The facility operates round the clock, ensuring ease of access and contributing to the vision of digitally empowered public transport system. Key benefits of this DigiLocker. The self-operated DigiLocker facility is available round the clock, ensuring accessibility at all times. Passengers can make payments easily through UPI, credit cards, debit cards, and other digital payment modes. Madgaon in next phase will be taking up Madgaon.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.